Welcome back to the Dencrn channel. My name is Den. Today, Apple. This is my old daily driver iPhone, aka the iPhone SE 2nd gen. This was my main phone from end of 2021 to the end of 2023 when I got my iPhone 12. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link to the unboxing of that in the description below. This is my experience on what it was like to daily drive my iPhone SE 2nd gen for over 2 years. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. Right off the bat, as you can see, it's a bit weird looking compared to my iPhone 12. The widgets just, I don't know, they don't really go well on these types of phones. It definitely does suit more of the iPhone X and newer phones, as you know, because of the home button and also the crap ton of bezels, as you can see, compared to the iPhone X and newer, where there is no bezel other than the top bit. I pretty much just use this for like basic stuff. It's got my Discord alt on it. It's got my Spotify as well, because occasionally I do use that with my iPhone 12 as well when I'm like around my house just trying to listen to music, and my main phone's in the other room. I also use this to find my phone as well. As you can see, I don't know why it's saying this, because I press share and then press share indefinitely and it doesn't do anything, so I don't know. I'm gonna admit the camera quality between this and my iPhone 12 is a lot different. So I'm gonna go take some photos and also some videos to compare it between the two. Because my iPhone 12 has HDR. My iPhone SE 2nd gen does not. Well, it has smart HDR for photos, but it doesn't have HDR for videos. So I'm going to go take some photos and videos. I'm going to actually go into the city to take them, because why not? This is the Dencrn channel. I can't just keep like doing my video and photo part of this video in my own house, when I think it's more comparable to do it outside where there's more like light and all that as well. So we're going to go travel to the city. We're going to take some videos and also do a mic test, which I will do right now before we go into the city to take some photos and videos. Oh yeah, mate. So this one time I found this duck lying around my own home. I was like, why is there a duck in my own home? Oh wait, I realized my neighbors own ducks. So I was like, yeah, I should go steal some so I can breed them. Turns out it's quite illegal and now I'm in jail. Please bail me out. I owe a lot of money back to my neighbors because of the ducks that I stole. So my iPhone 12 absolutely destroys my iPhone SE in camera quality. I don't know why, but this was released around the same time as my iPhone SE, which is what I'm using to record this part of the video. Fun fact, the camera I actually use to record all my Dencrn videos has been my iPhone SE, which is what I'm using right now. The only time that I actually haven't used it was for this exact video as well. I do mainly take the thumbnails on my iPhone 12 though, just so I can get the better camera quality and all that. But yeah, this is the only video where you've actually seen my iPhone 12 being used as, you know, a camera. I needed my iPhone SE to be shown at the start of the video. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this short Dencrn video. I know it's not too long, but I've got a big long video coming up where I will be teaching you guys how to Hackintosh as well as dual boot with Windows. That hopefully will be out maybe in the next month. I'm not too sure, but I'll keep you guys updated. Follow me on social media, as I'll be keeping you guys updated through there, and as well as the community tab on the channel. So yeah, thank you all very much for watching this Dencrn video. If you happen to enjoy it and you want to see more, definitely consider subscribing to the channel. Anyways, I've been Den. I'll see you guys next time.